Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the drive conveyor belt on your Sony LX5BT. Okay, so as you can see, I have it already installed, but I will first turn off the device because I will need to remove it and install it again. So there's a button on the back of it. Now the device should turn off soon.
Disconnected.
Okay, I will also turn my speaker off for now.
Powering down.
And I will remove this cover for now as well. And make sure to protect your stylus. Basically by locking it right here, making sure it's locked. Now I will remove the record because I currently have it on. I will remove the flat mat. Of course, typically you wouldn't have those things installed at this very moment. Now what I'll do is I'll try to turn it into the let's call it a factory state, which had this red tape. So I will just install the red tape right here because it makes it all easier. So hold on a second, I'll just do it all. Okay, now I should be able to remove it. Okay, so this is our platter. This is called platter. It is metal, and in order to install it, first you will need to find where, let's also unplug it from power, to be honest. Where is this part? This is going to rotate. It has a motor built in, and that's where you need to attach the conveyor belt. And now what makes it easy is this red tape, which comes pre-installed by factory. You can also install any other one or just do it by hand, but it's better with the tape, trust me. So what we need to do is attach the platter like so, which means it's the red tape is near the motor part. And now all you need to do is very easily, very simply, just put it on like so. Now you can rotate it a little bit to make removing the tape easier. And well, the tape is now joined together. Okay, now I've removed the tape. And it's important that now you rotate it 10 times counterclockwise. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is to just make sure that the drive belt is in its natural position, and now you will be able to use the device. So that is basically it for the video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.